Don't bother children when they are skateboarding. That's a rule for life. Hey guys, what's up? It's Amy. I'm just going to make a quick video. This isn't really a normal kind of video that I do, and it's not an English lesson, but I got something in the mail from Amazon today, and I was just going to open it and show you guys. It's a book. So spoiler alert, it's a book. So let me grab my scissors. So I have a student. I teach online courses. I think most of you know that. I teach online, like private one-on-one English and like private tutoring. And I have a student who's reading a book. And so I said, hey, let's read it together. So I ordered a copy and I'm going to open it for you. I forgot the name of the book. I think it's something about like building habits, which has been a hot topic lately with a lot of my students. A lot of people right now, I think maybe with the pandemic, we're all thinking about redesigning our lives and how we might be able to change our habits or our routines and our behaviors. And we're all looking for areas to improve or fine-tune things. I know I have, so I'm kind of excited to read this book along with my student and discuss it. So let's see, what do we have here? It is, I'm holding it upside down. Jordan B. Peterson's 12 Rules for Life. An antidote to chaos. And so we'll see. What is it about? I don't know. I just bought it. He said he was reading it, so I said, I'll read it with you. So the table of contents, it's a list of 12 rules. And the first rule is stand up straight with your shoulders back, which I should do that more. And then rule number 2, treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. Okay, I can get on board with that. Rule number 3, make friends with people who want the best for you. That seems pretty obvious. Number 4, compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. Agree. Rule number 5, do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one. I'm not sure what that means even. So I'll just let that one go for now. I think I need to read the chapter on rule number 5 before I can really comment. Rule 6, set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. Yes. Okay. Rule 7, pursue what is meaningful, not what is expedient. Okay. All right. I can see that. I can see that point. Rule 8, tell the truth or at least don't lie. Okay, that's probably my favorite so far. Tell the truth or at least don't lie. Yeah, truth telling, that's important to me. I really, really, really value honesty. And by the way, can you guys see that I got my hair cut finally, except I'm not sure what's happening here with my bangs. But finally, hair salons have opened up in my city. I am so happy, and I was able to kind of get a haircut first time in like 6 months because of this pandemic. Number 9, assume that the person you are listening to might know something you don't. That's a good assumption. I mean, that's probably true. Everyone knows something that you don't, right? Number 10, be precise in your speech. Oh boy. Yeah, I help a lot of students become more precise in their speech, And yet sometimes I fail at that myself. So that's something we all can work on, including me. Rule 11, don't bother children when they are skateboarding. That's a rule for life. One of the 12 rules for life is don't bother children when they are skateboarding. I don't know about that one. That doesn't really make sense to me. And rule 12, pet a cat when you encounter one on the street. Well, of course, I always try to pet cats when I encounter them anywhere, but often when you encounter a cat on the street, or at least in my experience, they are uninterested in being petted. They usually run away when I try to talk to them and touch them. So that is the book. So, I'm not super into rules. I say that, I'm not super into rules. I'm not super into following rules. I'm into making rules. I like being the rule maker, the rule giver, not the rule follower in my life. But I know it doesn't always work that way. We also have to follow the rules as well. So anyway, have you read this book? What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to start reading it. If you want to read it with me, let's read it together. I'm curious what it's going to be about, because this is a book that I didn't pick out. I had never heard of it before. My student just said he was going to read it, and I said, all right, let's read it together. Let's do it. It's a pretty fat book. It's a pretty thick book. So I'll let you know how it goes. All right, so that's it. That's all for today. I just wanted to say hello and do a little unboxing video with my new book. Let me know what you're reading in the comments. Are you reading any good books, or if you have any recommendations for me? That would be great. See you next time. Bye.